The lights of a dimly lit room suddenly come alive with vibrant colors. 5050 RGB LED strip lights. Transform your space with the magic of color. Introducing the 5050 RGB LED strip lights. 5 strip being easily applied around the room. An impressive 5 meters in length, these lights can redefine any room's ambience. And the best part? You don't need any professional help. Simply peel, stick, and create. Different rooms setting up, changing colors, and mood settings. From the living room to the bedroom, make every room come alive with a splash of color. With smart application and remote control, customization is right at your fingertips. Use your smartphone, displaying how to change colors and brightness. Want a relaxing blue for reading? A vibrant red for parties? Or sync them with your music? Just a touch and it's done. www.loveyourlighting.com